most of the time you can, communicate, find out what the physician feels is lacking or what function of the clinic isn't functioning well in that person's opinion, and then adjust to meet that. And that comes back to communication and respect. You have someone who's not, is disruptive at the clinic, figure out, just have a conversation. Hey, what's going on? Why are things not working right? You have a physician that's not meeting your expectations as a program director, come in and say, hey, what don't you like about the clinic? How could we run it better? What do you perceive as problems? And hear what the physician says, engage them in conversation. And once you open that dialogue, physicians are going to tell you what they don't like, why, what problems they perceive, and then you can start talking about those problems. A lot of times, once you start talking about the problems, there's usually simple solutions for it. I mean, the clinic function or a wound care clinic function is the same. Get patients in, figure out what's wrong with them, figure out what the best way to treat them.